In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an existing template in Wrike. Using templates is a great way to save time and keep your work consistent, especially if you find yourself repeating the same types of projects or tasks. Instead of building everything from scratch every time, Wrike lets you start from a ready-made structure and then customize it to fit your needs. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to find and apply a template, step by step. First, open Wrike and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main workspace, look toward the upper left area of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials or a small avatar, depending on your account settings. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, you want to look for the option labeled Template and Solution. This is where Wrike keeps its library of pre-built templates and recommended setups for common workflows. Click on Template and Solution to open that section. After the template and solution page opens, you'll see a variety of templates you can choose from. These may be organized by use case, such as project management, marketing campaigns, product development, or other typical workflows. Take a moment to browse through the options that are most relevant to the type of project or process you're working on. When something catches your eye, click on that template to get more details. Usually, Wrike will show you a brief description of what the template is for, along with a preview of the structure it includes, such as folders, tasks, and sample timelines. This is a good time to double check that the template matches what you need. If it looks right, you're ready to start using it. Now, look for the option that says Use Template. This is the button that will actually create a new project or space based on that template. Click on Use Template. Wrike may then ask you a few quick questions, such as where to place this new project, what you want to name it, or who should be assigned. Fill in those details according to how your team works. Once you confirm, Wrike will generate your new project from the selected template. From there, you can customize it, edit task names, adjust due dates, add assignees, or remove anything you don't need. And that's it. You've successfully used an existing template in Wrike, giving yourself a solid starting point and saving valuable setup time.